Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing some more Soccer Heads, aka World Soccer Football Head, whatever. There's this thing. It's called Head Soccer World Football. Okay, and I've also got this on because I'm going out for tea. We had Pizza Hut, pretty nice. And also I'm not putting this one again. Oh, nah, I ain't getting copyrighted today. Oh, hell no. So, let's get right into the video. Okay, so now I've got to pick my character. I'm always going to pick this one. I'm always going to pick this one. Should I pick someone different? I'm gonna pick this guy. Actually, no, not that guy. No, whoa, this guy. No, this guy. Yeah. And then I'm going for like old Messi. I don't know, something messy. What? Damn, he just done a back heel. He just chipped him. I'm pretty good. It's not just me, it's my skills. Oh, jeez. Oh. I have soccer tomorrow, indoor soccer, not outdoor. Hey. Bang, bang, cha-chang. No, you can time waste all you want because I'm winning. Oh, jeez, I just double jumped. I probably just jinxed myself. I think I might have just jinxed myself. No, I didn't. That was a really good header. That was really good. I think my microphone's fixed now. Hopefully. If it's not fixed, then I don't care. It has to be fixed because I put on two microphones. So I have a secondary one. It should work. My volume's 100 as well. But when it's 100, it's actually not that loud. Like my microphone volume, it's not that loud actually. Oh, it just went through me. It just went through me. Oh my god. How did that just happen? Oh, I'm winning. It doesn't matter. Look at this goal. Pah. Ready? That was a chip, basically. That has to be a chip. That was a chip right there. I'm telling you now. I'm gonna feed my fish soon. And that was almost a really slow goal. Oh! Oh, I wasn't watching. My hair's probably really messy. Now, oh, messy. Messy. Oh. My hair's not messy. Okay, with a flick. And then goal. I called it. Hey, why did I just dab? It literally right on that. Oh my god. Hey, we won. Let's go. Let's go into another game. Well, not into another game. Just, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go feed my fish. I gotta feed my fish. I gotta feed my fish. Ow, my knuckles cracked. Here you go, Mr. Fishies. Got some of that. Whoa, he's really hungry. Alright, first fish down. That's pretty good. Ah, guys, come on. Lid on. I got a good sleep, Mr. Fishies. Oh, let's feed my fish. Okay, so I made a coffee right here. Pretty good. It's gonna keep me awake all night. It's really good as well. I dig the coffees. Okay, we're doing a rematch. And I just scored already. 1 second in. 1 second. Oh my god. 11 seconds in, and I scored again. I'm easily gonna win this. I already know I'm gonna win it. 'Cause I'm 12 seconds in, I scored a third goal. Yep. Fourth goal. And we're 13 seconds in. I think so. Oh! Okay. I'm easily gonna score another goal. I'm easily gonna win. 25th second, and I'm on 6 goals. 6-0. I was about to say, finally he scored a goal, but no, he hasn't scored a goal yet. Oh, almost. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, my hand looks crazy. It's halftime. 7-0. God, 7-0. I'm easily gonna win. There's no chance I'm not gonna. It's another goal. I'm easily gonna win this. It's 8-0. Come. What am I doing? Haha. Ah. It's lagging out a bit. Oh, finally, he scored. It's just because of lag. Lag is on your team. Sorta. I swear that I keep on seeing ghosts. 10-1. This is my biggest high score yet. 11-1. 1-1-1. This is too easy. What? Do I even need to try anymore? I don't care. I'm still doing try hard. Okay. 12-1. 12-1. Man, so hot. Okay, win again. Already scored another goal. Fresh. Okay. Pa. And another. Pa. Oh. Back here. That was a back here. I'll back out of that. Come on. Another goal by Mr. Lachlan Gaynor. That's my full name. But no. Lachlan James Gaynor. 5-0. I bet it's gonna be an 8-0 again. Or I mean, it's gonna be 9-8. 9-8 but it's gonna be nil for a very long time. I think so. Oh, he fakes it. Oh no! Oh, it hit crossbar, and then he scores from a high place. I didn't dab all the way. Come on. No. Oh, he own goaled it like so much times. 7-0. Is this gonna be an easy win? Oh, yup. 9-0. Let's go. We're all just faking it. Another goal? Nope. Oh, come. Hey, ole. Rematch? No, because I'm gonna end the video. Hey, that rhymes. No, because I'm gonna end the video. Okay, it didn't really rhyme. Okay, didn't really rhyme. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button down below, and do feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you are new, and I will see you next time on Xmas Gaming. Goodbye.